Meaning of gourmet.
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 Gourmet. Gourmet refers to a person who has refined taste in food and drink, appreciating the artistry and quality of culinary preparations. This term often implies a level of sophistication or exclusivity in dining experiences, featuring carefully curated ingredients and preparation techniques. The gourmet individual is someone who takes pleasure in exploring new flavors and textures, seeking out unique and expertly crafted dishes. This appreciation for gastronomy can also extend beyond food, encompassing wines, cocktails, and other beverages. Ultimately, being a gourmet means valuing the sensory experience of food and drink, and actively seeking out the best possible culinary creations.